Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you beautiful looking media player with support for wide range of file formats for Windows 11 computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Microsoft Store application and so search for Screenbox Media Player, and here you will see the application. Just click on it. Now just click on this get to install this. So finally the installation has been completed. Now you can just click on this open. Now you can see this kind of is interference. So now on the left panel you will see various folders already created like home, music, videos, network, play queue, and below you will see here some settings option. So under the settings option you will see tons more options, so you can check out by yourself all the options available inside the settings. So now in order to play a video you can either drag it. So you can see it's a very modern and beautiful looking media player. So below there are some buttons to control the play and pause and the volume buttons, and even you can get a picture-in-picture mode also, and even you can make it to full screen. And there are some more options. By clicking on these three dot icons you will get some more options. Here you can see when you can cast it to the external display screens. You can change the aspect ratio also, so you can see tons of aspect ratios, or you can set it a custom aspect ratios also. So in my opinion, it's really a very beautiful looking media player with support for wide range of file formats for Windows 11 computer that you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.